most probably, and you have to listen to this, guys, most probably a lot of immigrants would be kicked out. That's the projection. Most probably either kicked out, or after their last working permit or something like that, temporary residence, they'll be kicked out eventually, something like this. And opportunities like business, employment, education would be more for the actual citizens, Germans. All right, I don't know how far it extends, to what extension, are those just for racial Germans or something like that, or citizens who hold the passport of Germany? We're not sure yet. Okay, that goes very deep, and you can research that for your own. We're not recommending anything here. All right, but we're just saying that on the polls and the surveys, if this party gets into power, then a lot of migration policies would be negatively impacted. They would not welcome more immigrants, and the immigrants that are now living in Germany would probably be kicked out, like in Hungary. Right?
Yes.
So that's gonna be kind of where the future would be pointing to. All right. So as you can see there, GDR, the East Germany, they've always had this mentality, and the FDR, the West, they've had an opposite mentality where they want more migrants to come in. And as Joni have said, Germany, under the AFD rule, they want more skilled migrants. That's why it's very important for you to know, are you not only skilled? When you say skilled, we usually would think about like skilled jobs, like blue collar jobs, carpentry or welding or something like that. Not necessarily. All right, so what they mean here, the general arc of this, is when you migrate, if you migrate, are you going to be a benefit for countries in Europe, right?